Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we are going to talk about my empties, faves and fails for the month of November. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, before we get started, as always, I just want to say if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, let's go ahead and begin. Let's start with the empties. This is not going to be a shocker. I go through this almost every month. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. I love it as a second cleanse. So I cleanse my face the first time around, and then I'll use the micellar water to cleanse for my second cleanse. And then I also use it in the morning for a third cleanse, I guess, almost. Like somehow I get a dirty face during the night. And so I go through a lot of this. The next thing, let's just stick with facial products. Both of these are in my empties. And this one is the Peter Thomas Roth Hyaluronic Cloud eye patches. This one's empty, as is the Cucumber eye patches, and these have both been replaced. I really like these. I've done a video on comparing the three, and the one that I am least in love with is the 24 karat gold one. So that one is not in my skincare routine, but those two are. The next thing that I went through is the Palou eye cream. Didn't really do anything, so I'm not going to repurchase this. I love the Palou toner. It is my favorite toner. I have about 4 of them because I'm terrified that I'm going to be without it. But that one, no. Let's talk about hair care products. The Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press. This is to protect my hair when I straighten it or curl it in my case. I've already replaced it. It's right here. And what I have found for those ladies that have extensions or thinking about extensions, I will tell you that I notice if I don't use this, that my extensions fade a little. And of course we do a toner anyways, but they'll fade faster. So I use that to protect my hair. The other thing is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. I use the color red because that's the closest to my color, because I am a redhead. Well, I have chosen to be a redhead. So I love this. This one's empty. I've already replaced it. It helps me go 1 more week past getting my roots done. All right, what else do we have in here? Okay, the rest is makeup. Let's start with the foundation. I have run out of the Perfection Lumiere Velvet by Chanel. This is in beige 30, which is what I wear in the winter. I use beige 40 in the summer, and this has already been replaced, and it's in my favorites. This is one of my top, I'd say, 3 foundations. This one is really great because it gives a beautiful finish, and it does not settle. I have really deep nasolabial folds. It doesn't really settle in there very much, so that's nice, and it has a good coverage. I really like this, and it lasts a long time. I did finish the NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. I won't be repurchasing it. I have come to the conclusion that, well, I have 2 favorites. I love the Urban Decay All Nighter, and this is, how many ounces is this? Oh God, 4 ounces. This is going to be in one of my gift guides this week. You can get 2 4 ounces for the price of 1 right now. There is a gift kit going on, holiday special, and I love this one. It's perfect. It has the perfect amount of mist. It lasts so long. It doesn't have any funky, smell to it. There's no perfume smell or anything like that, and I really like it, and it's a great deal going on right now. So I actually picked, this is one of the 2 in the kit. I've already popped open the kit. In fact, let me, do I have, there's so much stuff under there for the gift guides that I can't even deal. So I won't be replacing the NYX. I also finished the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. This is the Urban Decay and the Too Faced setting sprays are both my favorite. Just depends on what I can find the better deal on. So I like both of them. The Physicians Formula, I use this for the waterline. This is awesome. Unfortunately, I hate that it comes in a 3-pack because this is the one that I use, and it's the I think warm brown. I don't have my glasses, but I think it's warm brown. It comes with a black and then a copper, I think. I love this one because it doesn't transfer to my lower waterline. So I really love this, and I keep trying new products, and this is the best. So I keep buying 3-packs. The next that I've run out of is the It Your Lips But Better. This is in the color Romantic Rose. I've already replaced it. I'm usually not without this one. This is a really great color. It is a really nice, so it's a really great color, and what's amazing about this is it'll last forever. Like, it'll last all day. I'm wearing it right now, and so I have replaced that as well. Oops. Make sure we throw the right one away. Okay, I did try Josie Maran Argan Chubby Lip Butters. This was a duo. It came with 2 of them. What are the colors? Let's see. We have Nude Rose, which is right here. And then we also have Mulberry. Now, the colors look kind of nice when you swatch them. The problem is, oh, so patchy, and they don't last, and they just are a mess. So I love Josie Maran, but I don't love these. But what I do love is a lippy that I found, and this is from Physicians Formula. This is called the Healthy Lip. This is in Berry Healthy. That is the, that's what I have on today. Love this. Love everything about it. Love the applicator. It does dry down to a matte. It's a beautiful color. Best yet, guys, they're on sale right now. Half off. Half off. I bought another 6 of them, and I bought 2 of these because I love this color. So this is it right here. This is berry color, and it's just a beautiful color. It lasts a really long time. It's not super dry. The fact that I have mature lips, you know, sometimes if I wear a matte, you know, day after day, it tends to really dry out the lips, and this does not. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, I had to turn the light on. I realized I'm literally in the dark. It's like 5:30. I did try a new concealer. This is by Tarte. This is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I hated this. I'm so sorry. It came with this and the brush, and you kind of just go, which I don't like that as well because I'm sweeping across my eyes. I just didn't like this. It's a really thick consistency, but it doesn't move. That's the problem. You know, it doesn't, it's really hard to see. It doesn't move. It's just so drying, and it just was terrible. Everything about it was terrible. I also tried a lippy that I did not like. I think it's Make Me Blush. And I just, again, this is just not a color that worked for me. It's too, I don't know. It's just the wrong shade for me. It's just a terrible color for me. You know, I might try, it's too bad too, because I think it's part of that peach collection. And the packaging is really cute. So I might try a different color, but this one was just horrific. Oh, sorry to do this to Too Faced, but I did also try the Chocolate Chip palette, which is this little mini palette. And here it is here. You can see, there you go. Hated everything about this palette too. It just is, I love Too Faced palettes. In fact, my most favorite palette that I use all the time is the Natural Matte. Like, I love Too Faced palettes. This Natural Matte palette, this by far is my favorite. At the end of the year, I guarantee you this will be my all-time favorite. You can already see how much I'll hit pan here with this one. This is my favorite base color, but I love all the colors. I just gave this as a gift to someone because it's such a great, it makes a great gift because it's such a nice natural palette that who wouldn't love it? This one is not. It's everything about it is just, I don't know if it's just, I don't know. I just didn't like this palette at all. I also tried a new mascara, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara. Oof, not good. Wouldn't do that again. I tried it about 3 different times. It's so gloppy and it just doesn't lengthen. It just glops and it doesn't do anything except glop, and it's just terrible. And I had high hopes for it, but nope, didn't work. And it didn't even work with my favorite lash primer, which is the Dior. It didn't even work with that, so that's just a fail. So that's it, guys. That is those are my empties for the month of November, favorites and fails. Everything will be listed in the description box that is a favorite. I see no reason to list my fails. I don't. And you know, if something is on sale, I'll put a little emoji with star eyes, because this lippy right here, I think is originally goes for a little over $8, and they're on sale for like 3 something, and then you can get a coupon which even puts it lower. They're at Walgreens. They're really good. So I don't know how long that'll last, but as of making this video, they were on sale. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys.